Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Vishal, and in this episode of our Solid Principle series, we are going to explain interface segregation principle. This principle says clients should not be forced to depend on interface they do not use. In simple words, don't make your classes implement method they don't care about. Let's understand this in simple analogy. You walk into a restaurant and ask for coffee. The waiter hands you a menu that includes breakfast items, lunch specials, dinner entries, dessert, drinks. This menu is huge and overloaded. Even though you only need coffee, you are forced to deal with other unnecessary options. Let's go back to our payment processing system. Suppose we create one giant interface, iPayment, which support make payment, refund, generate invoice, schedule payment methods. Now we implement it for different payment types. For credit card, it supports all methods, so it's okay for credit card. But then UPI payment comes. Now as we know, for UPI payment, generate invoice and schedule payment does not support. But still interface forced to implement schedule payment and generate invoice method. Boom. Now some classes are forced to implement methods that make no sense for them. Let's fix this right away by creating smaller interface. So as you can see, we have created relevant interfaces: iPayment, iRefundable, iInvoice generator, and iSchedulable. Now each class can choose what it needs, right? Credit card support all interface methods, so it can implement all interface. But UPI support only two interface: iPayment and iRefundable. It does not support generate invoice, iSchedule interface, so we are not implementing it. So as you can see, no unnecessary methods, no broken implementation. Each class stays clean, focused, and happy. So that's the interface segregation principle. It's about keeping interface small and meaningful. Remember, split big interface into smaller ones. Don't force classes to implement things they don't need. In the next episode, we will wrap up the Solid series with the dependency inversion principle, where we will see how to make your code flexible, testable by depending on abstraction, not concrete classes. If you're enjoying this series, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.